Hello everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, September the 29th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. The first one I have solved is a binary. Then the second one a medium Sudoku. The third one a killer Sudoku. But first we will solve this medium Sudoku. By the way, in this daily newspaper, there's also an additional. With extra Sudokus, there are six puzzles there are, and half of them I will solve. But first, we will solve these regular Sudokus, and the second regular Sudoku will be a medium Sudoku number 3463. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 and the 9 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then, how about the 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column. The 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then, how about, I'm scanning. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 3 boxes. There 707 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay. 1, 3. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5. And the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Okay. So we have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and the 3. Alright. Alright. These 3 missing numbers in the third column. The 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1, 2, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. Yes, the 5 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 here in the middle row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1. Okay. Alright. 7, 7. Then. Mm-hmm. 9. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And we have a pair. 5 and a 9 in the first row. 5 and a 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 and the 9 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 8. That means 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Alright, 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Yeah. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about? Yeah. 7. Okay. 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see a 1, no 1 there. There 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box is going to be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. One box left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. Now we have 8 there, so this box is going to be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between this and the middle row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. One box left in the third row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Yeah, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. All right. So we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, we see here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. How about 2 missing numbers in the middle row? Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. 2 numbers left. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay, 4 is missing. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. All right. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 number left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow! Mind-blowing. Yes, I'm faster than 15 minutes. Mind-blowing. Yes, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye-bye for now.